Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and there are few things that I love more than coming outside, sitting, and relaxing on a nice, beautiful sunny day. This awesome zero gravity chair from Alpine Mountain Gear has elevated my relaxation experience at the end of a long day. What I love about it is literally I can sit down in it, lay back, close my eyes, and just soak up the sun. What sets this apart is how comfortable it is. The polyester fabric mixed with those bungee cords that hold it in place give it a nice solid foundation so I feel nice and secure in it, but it also has just that little bit of give that makes it really comfortable too. This chair has an adjustable table that can be installed on either side and moved too. What I really love about it is it has two different size cup holders as well as two different slots that can either be used for books or tablets or phones, whatever I need to store next to me for easy access. This chair is comfortable for everybody in our family. I love sitting in it, and I'm about 5'2", but so does my 6-foot husband. He can easily get in here, lay in here comfortably as well. This is adjustable too, so in the sense that I can sit straight up if I'm reading a book or something like that, but if I want to lay all the way back, I can also do that, and I can even lock myself into place. I really appreciated just how smooth the reclining is too. I can easily adjust to whatever position is comfortable for me. So if you're looking for the ultimate comfort in a zero gravity chair, I would highly recommend checking this one out from Alpine Mountain Gear. You will not be disappointed. It is absolutely awesome. But that's just my point of view.